The Law of One, Book 1, Part 20, Session 11, January 28, 1989. I am Ra. I greet you in the love and the light of the infinite Creator. I communicate now. Questioner. Shall we include the ritual that you have suggested that we use to call you in the book that will result from these sessions? I am Ra. This matter is of small importance, for our suggestion was made for the purpose of establishing contact through this instrument with this group. Questioner. Is it of any assistance to the instrument to have blank and blank present during these sessions? Does the number in the group make any difference in these sessions? I am Ra. The most important of the entities are the questioner and the vibratory sound complex, blank. The two entities additional aid the instrument's comfort by energizing the instrument with their abilities to share the physical energy complex, which is a portion of your love vibration. Questioner. You said yesterday that Maldek was destroyed due to warfare. If Maldek hadn't destroyed itself due to warfare, would it have become a planet that evolved in self-service, and would the entities involved have increased in density and gone on to, say, the fourth density in the negative sense or the sense of self-service? I am Ra. The planetary social memory complex Maldek had in common with your own sphere the situation of a mixture of energy direction. Thus it, though unknown, would most probably have been a mixed harvest, a few moving to fourth density, a few moving towards fourth density in service to self, the great majority repeating third density. This is approximate due to the fact that parallel possibility, probability, vortices cease when action occurs and new probability, possibility vortices are begun. Questioner. Is there a planet opposite our sun in relation to us that we do not know about? I am Ra. There is a sphere in the area opposite your sun of a very, very cold nature, but large enough to skew certain statistical figures. This sphere should not properly be called a planet, as it is locked in first density. Questioner. You say that entities from Maldek might go to fourth density negative. Are there people who go out of our present third density to places in the universe and serve, which are fourth density, self-service negative type of planets? I am Ra. Your question is unclear. Please restate. Questioner. As our cycle ends and graduation occurs, is it possible for anyone to go from our third density to a fourth density planet that is of a self-service or negative type? I am Ra. We grasp now the specificity of your query. In this harvest, the probability possibility vortex is a harvest, though small, of this type. That is correct. Questioner. Can you tell us what happened to Adolf Hitler? I am Ra. The mind-body-spirit complex known as Adolf is at this time in a healing process in the middle astral planes of your spherical force field. This entity was greatly confused and, although aware of the circumstance of change in vibratory level associated with the cessation of the chemical body complex, nevertheless needed a great deal of care. Questioner. Is there anyone in our history who is commonly known who went to a fourth density self-service or negative type of planet, or any who will go there? I am Ra. The number of entities thus harvested is small. However, a few have penetrated the 8th level, which is only available from the opening up of the 7th through the 6th. Penetration into the 8th or intelligent infinity level allows a mind-body-spirit complex to be harvested if it wishes at any time-space during the cycle. Questioner. Are any of these people known in the history of our planet by name? I am Ra. We will mention a few. The one known as Taras Bulba, the one known as Genghis Khan, the one known as Rasputin. Questioner: how did they accomplish this? What was necessary for them to accomplish this? I am wrong. All of the aforementioned entities were aware, through memory, of Atlantean understandings having to do with the use of various centers of mind-body spirit complex energy influx in attaining the gateway to intelligent infinity. Questioner: did this enable them to do what we refer to as magic? Could they do paranormal things while they were incarnate? I am wrong. This is correct. The first two entities mentioned made little use of these abilities consciously. However, they were bent single-mindedly upon service to self, sparing no efforts in personal discipline to double, redouble, and so empower this gateway. The third was a conscious adept and also spared no effort in the pursuit of service to self.